In Igbo culture, names are not just a means of identification, they carry deep meaning and power. An average Igbo person believes that the name given to a child can affect his or her life positively or negatively. That is why parents are always careful when choosing names for their children. Most Igbo names are given based on the circumstances surrounding the birth of the child. For example, the struggles a couple faced before the child was born, the long wait before the child was conceived, the joy of finally having a son after several daughters or a daughter after several sons. Sometimes names are chosen based on the market day the child was born, such as Eke, Orie, Afo, or Nkwo market days. In other cases, a name may be given because the child is believed to be the reincarnation of a late relative. Quite unlike the Yoruba people, the Igbo do not have special names for twins or ejima. What parents do is to choose names that are closely related in meaning or begin with the same letter or have the same sound. For example, Ijeoma and Ijuru or Ifechukwu and Ifeanyichukwu. Whatever the case may be, one thing stands out. Igbo names are beautiful, full of meaning, and most often reflects gratitude to God for the gift of life and children.